Hi everybody! So to go along with our kitty cat theme this week and my little kitty cat who keeps breaking into my videos, I've made a little finger puppet kitty cat. You can make them too. So we're going to follow along with Vicki and I'll show you the video of how to make these little kitty cat puppets, and later on we'll sing a song. Alright. So you're going to need pipe cleaners, scissors, foam sticky shapes, and cardboard tubes. Okay. Hello my friends, hello my friends, hello my friends, how are you today? Here is my little kitty, little kitty, little kitty. Here is my little kitty Chubs. Say hello, Chubs. Today we're gonna make some little kitties, and I'm gonna put her over there because oopsie, oopsie daisy. Because we're gonna make a little kitty cat, and we're gonna make them out of toilet roll tubes or kitchen roll tubes with the kitchen paper, and I just cut them to some of the same sizes. Some of them are smaller because I wanted a little bit different size kitty cats. Let me move them back. All right, so first what we need to do with our little kitty cat toilet roll tube or cardboard tube is you take it, and then the end of it, find a flat one, or maybe if it's not so flat, you can use that end. You're going to push it in like this, and this will create the cat ears. So push the ends down, and then you get cat ears. They look a little bit like this. You can make it a little bit closer. You can make your ears a little bit more pointed by squishing them. So maybe mummies will help with that part, or daddies. And now it looks like a little kitty cat with ears on the top. And then we're going to paint all of our tubes. I'm going to paint them because crayon or markers may not work so well. So today I'm actually going to paint. And I have some paint colors here. Hi everybody, so I'm finished painting them now. They're all painted and ready in different colors. And here's the one we already made. And so now I'm going to make these ones. That one was... So to make these ones, now you need the eyes. I'm going to put some green eyes on this one. Move these aside. I'm going to put some green eyes. I'm going to take off the backing and put the eyes, meow, cat eyes, like that. And because they're already sticky, they stick. And I don't have to glue any messy. The only messy thing is the paint. Another eye. Meow. And I had a marker, and I just drew in the eye. Cat eye. And a cat eye. There we are. Meow. And now comes the tricky part. You might need mummy's help for this. You need a pen. Put your fingers in, mummies or children, older children, and just poke in between your fingers a little hole. A little bit tricky with the paint. Try to do 3 little holes. Three little holes. Yeah, 3 little holes. 3 little holes that I heard of. Alright, now we have 3 little holes on either side. And we're going to take, I've got green whiskers, so I'm going to use green little pipe cleaners. And you're going to push them in and bend it down. Bend it in, and push. Here you are, my friends. 5 little kitty cats, all painted and ready to go.